everyone, welcome to Saturday Morning Challenge Your Friends, where me and Joyce, we get together and challenge each other to use our products. Her channel will be in the description bar below. Make sure that you check her out. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to our channels for future videos. All right, everybody. Okay, so this week, me and Joyce, we decided to make some projects with the base being the Scor Pal product, which meaning that you could use a tutorial from the Scor Pal blog or tutorial link or we're using the Scor Pal, that's the base. All right, so I will link to the tutorial that I used in the description bar below. And I used for today the lavender Prima pad I just picked up from Hobby Lobby. I actually thought it was I have an A4 lavender pad, and I thought this was just a bigger version of that, but it's actually not. The other one is named Lavender something, but I use this particular lavender pad. And then this You Matter stamp set from My Creative Time. All this is going to be My Creative Time. This bow, medium stitch bow. The teeny tag greetings. And the dies to go with that. This stamp set, plain and simple. This is a happy birthday die. And I use the curly labels and the stitch curly label insert to that as well. All right, so y'all, I needed to keep it simple, so I made some gift card holders. And I first saw this style in one of the swaps I hosted, and it was on my list to make. I never did. So here's the first one using that paper. And you guys know how I like to take a less dominant color and make it pop, which would be this color right there, which you can see around the roses. So here is the bow. I'll put the tag greeting for you. And in the tutorial, they use a belly band. I did not want to use a belly band, so I used the Velcro dot, like so. And it opens up. And the gift card slides in right there. Very simple and easy to make. This is the back. So that's the first one. Okay, then another one. Using another sheet. Again, the You Matter. I use May Arts. What is it called? Twine, I think. I use May Arts and said stamped out and die cut You Matter using those labels. Same thing. Different papers on the inside. Made a bow on the side. Excuse me. And then the last one, I made 3 using another sheet of paper. You see that happy birthday, and I used my Spectrum Noir and glittered the happy birthday die up. I die cut it more than once and layered it up. Use all my flat back pearls from Michaels. And then there's the stamp set, happy birthday, you haven't aged a bit. Oh, and these were, I forgot, these this was a little stitch rectangle from My Creative Time as well. I don't think I showed that though. And that's the inside of that. These are so easy to make. You can knock out a bunch of them in no time and make them as plain or as complicated as you want them to be. So I hope you guys like my Scor Pal projects that I did on today. Joyce's link will be in the description bar below, and I will be back with another video. I think the next one probably is going to be either a swap or a haul. I've been doing clips of stuff that I've been getting the last couple of weeks. So I don't know. We'll see. All right, you guys. You have a great day. Bye.